Hello, salespersons of all makes, models, and brands. My name is Chance, and welcome to another Objection episode over here at the Sales Bible. Today we're going to be taking a look at the classic, that's too expensive objection, also known as the cost-conscious buyers. I actually really like this one, just because I kind of like, dealing with them. I like the banter, and it shows that they're serious customers. So let's get into understanding this objection. Basically, the vast majority of people who have this objection, especially late in the process, are people who are just looking for a discount, aka your worst nightmare if you want to retain gross. Now I'm going to show you a word track that works a decent amount of the time. It's not 100% foolproof, but I'll get into that a little bit later here. Before I do though, let me tell you what not to say. So these are the two most common things I see a lot of new salespeople saying, and it just always blows up in their face. So the first is, I'll see what I can do about it. This one's just shooting yourself in the foot. I don't know why you would logically say this other than the fact that you're afraid of confrontation. And the second one is, it's my way or the highway, which is kind of diametrically opposed. But people don't really like hearing that, especially because it feels like you're not taking them seriously. So here's what you should say instead. So customer opens with, I really like the vehicle. This price is just too much. And you respond with, okay, have you seen the same vehicle listed lower from elsewhere? Is that why you're saying it's too much? And they'll say, no, I was just hoping for a better price. They say, oh, I see. If you're looking for a better price, then maybe we're on the wrong vehicle. So you're going to want to kind of try to pull it away from them. And you know what? Honestly, if they're seriously looking for a lower price for budget concerns, and you know that it's not going to be possible in this unit, then this is a common courtesy. This is something you can do, and it is something you probably should do. A lot of people want too much car for them, so I don't know. If that's the impression, then go that route. But usually what happens is, no, I like the vehicle, it's perfect for me. And if you've done the vast majority of the process correctly, this is the response you're typically going to get. And then you're going to say, I understand. In my experience, it usually makes sense to pay a little bit more for something that makes you happy versus pay a little less for something that doesn't meet all of your needs. Would you agree? And of course they're going to agree, because logically that makes sense. And as soon as they say, yeah, that makes sense, or any kind of positive encouragement to that effect, just hand them the pen and be like, fantastic, I'll just need your signature here, here, and here then. And then I'll introduce you to my business office. And then just hold the pen out for them, make them grab it, and then make them sign. Ultimately, there are going to be a couple people that will still want a lower price, that will still want to negotiate, and that's when you get an offer from them. Go back to your manager, check out our sales process series for a better understanding on exactly how to do that. Now, with that being said, guys, if you have any cool word tracks, ideas, experiences, or stories, please put them down beneath in the comment section. I really like hearing them. I really like seeing what you guys can come up with. That being said, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and as always, happy selling.